Okay, I'm going to introduce you to this flash sale event. This is of the H1 Nova Kit, and this is the H1 Nova head torch, the predecessor to the H1R, our rechargeable one. This is a 500 lumen head torch that we're going to crack into. But basically, for this event, we are giving you the torch and the kit to convert it into a H1R for the grand price of £41.56. That is a saving of over £15 if you're going to go ahead and buy H1R off the shelf. So I think this is a cracking offer to convert a H1 into a H1R and at a brilliant price. So let's show you what is in the box. And what you notice straight away is if you have a H1R, you do not get the included case. We do sell these separately, but so this is an extra bonus that you're going to get, is you're going to get the case. So just bring that up. And of course we have the instructions, the manual. There's the clip for your pocket clip and your torch with the head strap. So we'll take that out for now. And the clip, and of course you can use this for box for storing the torch or storing your charge cable or storing your bits and pieces, sort of EDC gear as well. So on this offer you get the case as well, which is absolutely fantastic. So we'll leave the clip aside for now and we'll just concentrate on the torch itself. And we get this pulled out. So, dismantling, very easy. Let's just unscrew this and pop out the CR123, which is the 1600 milliamp torch, which is non-rechargeable, and your wee yellow bit of plastic there. Just remember, you cannot recharge the white and green batteries. And then in the kit, just pop this open. And we have our magnetic tail cap, our rechargeable battery, and of course the magnetic charge lead. So you are, just plug that in, and of course when it's plugged in it will light up green that it's got power and all ready to go. And then basically it's just simple putting the battery in and screwing it on. So on the inside of the torch you will see there's a positive indicator there. So positive terminal facing up, and then just screw that in. And very simply connect it onto the magnetic charger, and that is it now charging up. So that's it, just charging up now. So that is your torch. Let that sit in the charger, and of course that will go green when it is fully charged. And that is you. It's as simple as that with converting a H1 into a H1R. So this event says 16th of October, and you will get this for £41.95. Cracking offer. So you're saving £15 on your off the price of a H1R if you're buying it off the shelf. Head strap again, same as the H1R, just in blue. But it means when you don't have the pocket clip on, you can rotate that. To sliding that through, you can rotate that through 180 degrees to find the optimal angle for whatever work you're doing. So that's really it. So you can keep the magnetic tail cap there if you wish, and to swap that out. And say that you have a spare battery, so you can use that there in one of your other torches, or push comes to shove, just leave it in your carry case and you can use that there as a spare. And of course your pocket clip, very easy just to snap on, and that's it. Very secure, easily carried, great portable head torch, and of course just as a normal light as well. So there we go. The H1 Nova Kit. Get one while you can. And now convert it into a H1R. Thanks very much for watching.